Imagine a world where cryptocurrency transactions are as seamless as traditional online payments. This is the promise of Tether's Wallet Development Kit, WDK, a game-changing toolkit that's about to revolutionize the way businesses interact with crypto. But here's where it gets interesting. The WDK's impact on the future of crypto business tools is multifaceted, and its implications are far-reaching. Let's dive in and explore what this means for developers, SMEs, and Fintech startups. The WDK is a comprehensive toolkit designed to streamline the creation of crypto-native business applications. It works seamlessly with Lightspark's Bitcoin Lightning infrastructure, allowing developers to create self-custodial wallets that support both swift Bitcoin transactions and stablecoin payments. This unified API for handling on-chain and Lightning transactions offers a straightforward path for developers to create wallets without delving into the complexities of the native layer. But what does this mean for the Lightning Network? The WDK incorporates Lightspark's Lightning Network, enabling developers to manage Bitcoin and stablecoin transactions through one single stateless API. This innovation allows for instant Bitcoin micropayments alongside stablecoin payments without the hassle of running their own Lightning nodes or navigating the network's operational intricacies. It's seen as a major step in making Lightning technology more accessible to various business applications, aiding in the adoption of fast and low surcharge transactions. So, what are the primary advantages of using Tether's WDK for developers? For starters, the unified API facilitates development, allowing for a focus on innovation without the burden of technical details associated with blockchain interactions. Additionally, self-custodial wallets allow users to maintain full control of their private keys, aligning with decentralized principles. The WDK also accommodates features like automated financial services powered by AI and access to DeFi platforms, supporting the creation of sophisticated applications for complex financial operations. And, with its open-source framework, it enables easy customization and expansion, accommodating diverse business needs and scenarios. These factors position Tether's WDK as an effective tool for developers aiming to build accessible and efficient crypto applications. However, SMEs in Europe may face regulatory hurdles when using Tether's WDK. The evolving MiCA regulations impose stringent compliance obligations on stablecoin issuers such as Tether. Key challenges include regulatory non-compliance, liquidity challenges, growing compliance costs, and fragmented market access. For instance, Tether's refusal to adhere to MiCA regulations could lead to it being delisted from European exchanges by late 2024, causing abrupt challenges for SMEs relying on Tether's WDK. On the other hand, Fintech startups in Asia can leverage Tether's WDK to navigate regulatory confines surrounding crypto payroll solutions. The toolkit's inbuilt compliance tools and support for non-custodial wallet architecture allow for the development of secure and compliant payroll systems. Advantages include regulatory compliance, enhanced cross-border payments, automated solutions, and Lightning Network access. Utilizing these features enables Fintech startups to craft compliant crypto payroll solutions with seamless payment experiences for employees globally. But here's the thing. Despite its substantial advantages, the dependence on Tether's WDK carries inherent risks stemming from its centralized control and regulatory scrutiny. Primary risks include single provider dependency, intensified scrutiny, market isolation, and concentration risks. The MiCA framework aims to mitigate systemic risk through mandated reserves in EU banks. But Tether's refusal to comply intensifies concerns about risk concentration impacting SMEs reliant on Tether's ecosystem. And this is the part most people miss: the importance of evaluating the complex regulatory landscape and potential risks tied to centralized control. Preparing for regulatory changes and diversifying stablecoin selections will help businesses adapt in the looming crypto landscape. So we have to ask, are the benefits of Tether's WDK worth the risks? Should businesses prioritize regulatory compliance over innovation? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Tether's WDK is a game changer for crypto business tools? Or are the risks too great to ignore? Let's spark a conversation and explore the possibilities and pitfalls of this emerging technology.